You know, a business coach looked at my YouTube channel and he said, I have no idea who you serve, who your audience is. And I took a look and thought, he's absolutely right. It's amazing what an outside pair of eyes can see when you are so busy and so intent on doing this one thing or doing this other part of your business that you can't see what's happening. Boy, if you want somebody to kick your butt, get a coach to look at your stuff from the outside. Get a coach to help you see what it is you're missing. I do know a lot of good things about YouTube. And I knew the thumbnails really didn't show what my audience was. They didn't speak to who I'm trying to serve. There were no pictures of people crafting or making art. Um, and so here I have a YouTube channel with over 100 videos. Actually, I have no idea. I have about the same number of videos as I have subscribers, which subscribers, that's not very much. And the views haven't been getting very much, but I didn't really pay attention. I didn't really care. So here I have this resource just sitting dormant. And the more I learn about it, and as somebody who really understands marketing and understands how YouTube works talk to me, I was like, okay, it's time. I really need to work on this platform. I really need to create something intentional. You know, you can be an artist and make a lot of art and still not have a body of work. A body of work is something cohesive and intentional. It holds together all as one. It speaks to a cohesive idea. And so should a really good YouTube channel. So I was lucky enough to get to spend time with Beth Ann Williams, who is one of our coaches in the academy. And she is a YouTube expert. She gets thousands of views. She has thousands of subscribers. What is the difference? It's not that my videos are terrible. The videos themselves, they're fine. It's the organization and the plan and the strategy that Beth Ann understands that has made her YouTube channel into something that constantly generates income streams. I'm creating thumbnails that speak to the people, you, that I want to talk to. So understanding what videos are bringing you income and having tagging systems and having ways in every description for people to get to your offerings, those are all part of that intentional strategy, right? So as I go back through my YouTube channel, I have recorded all of the stats, the watch time, the views, the engagement, all of those things. And as I follow Beth Ann Williams' advice and update all of the videos I already have, and then set a strategy for creating YouTube videos going forward to help and interact with and benefit my audience, you crafters, artists, creators who want to teach, who want to build online teaching businesses. It'll be a great experiment to watch and see if those numbers change on the old views, on the old videos, and to see how YouTube brings in an organic new crowd. Now you can do this too. Again, I highly suggest finding somebody who knows what they're doing and I highly suggest coming over to the Academy for Virtual Teaching, where Beth Ann is going to be teaching a course on this. It will run several times a year, but right now, check out the description and see when the next time is. It's hands-on. It is using her expertise. I'll let you know soon how things go as I take her class at the Academy for Virtual Teaching on YouTube for Audience Growth. And we'll see how the channel brings in more people so that I can serve you better. All right? Remember that what you do as an artist, as a creative, as a maker, as a crafter, makes the world a better place. You bring joy and creativity into the lives of the people you serve and the people you teach. So never stop, my friends. Never stop. And if you feel like it, come over and join us in our free community at academyforvirtualteaching.com. Can't wait to see you there.